Well, good Sunday evening. Right now we're tracking that impact weather, but finally it's some relief in sight as we're tracking some rain now moving along the coast. Temperatures are fairly comfortable right now, at least into the mid-50s, but we'll see some of those temperatures dropping back down to the mid-40s. So far, some isolated coastal showers moving in, but we've really already noticed some of the gusty winds and the rough surf. As we take a live look from Old Orchard Beach, we are seeing the winds picking up, some gusts above 25 miles per hour, but the waves not that high up actually because we're sitting at low tide, but here in the next few hours that will be our concern. You can see some of the isolated coastal showers now moving into southern York County, some heavier steady showers now moving in from the south. Eventually we'll be seeing that become more widespread as we go into our Monday. But remember, this is a minimal rain event for us. The biggest threats are going to be the gusty winds and some rough surf. This is more so an impact to the coast. So high surf advisories in effect starting Monday at 8 in the morning, although I would err you on the side of caution because the waves are still going to be cranking away even before that time, going all the way until Tuesday evening. So breaking waves about 5 to 10 feet. That's going to be choppy along the coast, but further out into the ocean, you're still going to be having some severe problems if you're out there boating. So overall, as we look at our Monday morning to keep you planning ahead for an early morning holiday commute, a few showers will continue along into the morning, be coming on and off. We'll see some steady heavy showers, at least by best, towards areas like York County along the coast, but further inland it's again not a rain event. This is again more so towards the winds, northeast winds 15 miles per hour with gusts along the coast up to 30. Further inland it's not going to be that significant on the winds either. We're going to be dealing with temperatures a little cooler into the 50s. By Tuesday the rain is still holding on tight. Winds eventually coming from the north will dry out by the afternoon, the clouds eventually shaking away by the late evening, and we're going to cool down pretty fast once this system is out of here. So overall, like I said, not a big rainmaker. We could see up to an inch in southern York County, but the rest of us not even getting in 0.2 of an inch. So tomorrow, get the rain jackets out. I wouldn't recommend the umbrella with those wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. We could, however, see some minor coastal splash over with high tide right around 10 in the morning at 10 feet. So nothing significant out of this storm. But in the inland forecast, we're going to be keeping an eye on what could be some frosty mornings right around Thursday, Friday, and into next weekend, where we're going to be looking cooler and dry.
All right, thanks, Emily.